Alisher, CEO of Silk Road Management, and I have had many conversations about the potential in Myanmar, and we are doing it again. Alisher, good to see you on the program. Mr. Obama going to Myanmar, that certainly says things, right? He must feel that there's an urge, a need, and something to talk about with President Thein Sein.
Absolutely. U.S. government definitely see Myanmar as central to its strategic interest in Asia. And the fact that the Myanmar government has undertaken historical, unprecedented political economic reform underscores the fact that the country is open for business. And as a result, I think the Obama administration wants to reward the government of Myanmar for those efforts.
Can the country handle that much capital at one go, though? Because they don't have all the infrastructure in place. The capital markets need a lot of work before they're really functional, to be honest. I mean, having too much at your doorstep all at once can be a very dangerous thing.
Yeah, we have seen this elsewhere in places like Vietnam and before that in Thailand, where these speculative inflows of speculative capital has resulted in the bubbles in assets. But in case of Myanmar, this country has for 50 years hasn't seen any meaningful capital inflows, and the whole country has to be rebuilt. And so as a result, we believe that the capital is not going to be just speculative capital. It's going to be the funding from the multilaterals, led by the Asian Development Bank, the World Bank, and it also will be a lot of bilateral aid to the country that goes directly into infrastructure, education, healthcare, and other sectors.
Right. The Silk Road Myanmar Index is the first equity index which tracks the performance of Burma-related publicly listed companies outside that do business in Myanmar. This kind of is eye-popping. I mean, it's up more than 50%.
It's up 50% this year. We launched the index yesterday, and it's a first benchmark that allows you to track the performance of Myanmar-related international listed companies. Currently, they are listed in Korea, Thailand, and Singapore, but we believe that the universe of Myanmar-related international equities will grow over time. And obviously, by 2015, when the Myanmar Stock Exchange will be operational, that will be a game changer.